Okay, here we are at 6881 Stanton. First of all, this is a leak coming from, I'm at the very back left unit, which would be the southwest side. And that's the leak coming from a faucet, so that's pretty huge to begin with. And I just jetted it. Okay, wowza. Okay, 20 feet. Not good. At around 120 feet is, or around 100 to 120 is the is catering. I might have to take the jetter hose out. I'm going to have to take the jetter hose out. This is messing up too much friction. I'll try to... Okay, I'm going to have to pull the jetter hose out. I can't go any further. Okay, that is right at, that's in the machine shop just east of the cleanouts. So up until there, it's okay. So I'm going to pull back. I'm going to hit that one spot at 18 feet. We're going to see what's going on the way back. You see the water in the line. It's, you know, it's flowing okay right there, but it's only 2 feet deep in the machine shop, so you don't got a lot of fall. And don't know how bad it was, but it looks good, pretty good right now, other than that 18 feet. I forgot to look outside. I think there's trees over there. There's got to be. The camera's laying at the very bottom of the pipe. So if you can see the top of the camera head. Not great fall, but it looks good, so maybe the jetting, you know, was a good thing. I didn't get a lot of grease back on the jetter hose, so I don't think they're obliterating it, to be honest with you. . Somebody's running some water down there. They got seriously bad leak. I know it's leaking pretty bad right here in this bathroom on the other side. That's for sure. So we're going to come up on that bad spot, and I'm going to hit that with a different jetter nozzle. Okay, we're going back in to match up the jetter head to that problem area at 18 feet. I gotta pull back because the jetter nozzle, I can't jet with the camera head right there. Okay, I think that's far enough. Okay, there's the jetter nozzle. Alright, there's the jetter nozzle. Okay, do a little surgery here. Okay, I went back and forth on this a few times, and it just kept looking the same pretty much after first couple times. So you could even hear the water bubbling in the background before this. So I'm pulling out, and we're going to go to the machine shop now and do as I told you about snaking it out. Okay, we're in the machine shop. We just jetted out this line.
Upside down, huh? Wherever it is, here it comes. Look at that. Oh. What's that line on the side?
What's what?
What's that line right?
Oh, that's this.
Yeah.
That's this.
Oh, gotcha.
Okay, there's the clean out. That's by the entrance. I'm talking to this, not you.
Anytime.
Okay. I'm just going to go a few more feet, then I'm going to come back, change the head for a root cutting for that root problem. I gotta get lined up with that root problem. Make sure we get that. Okay, there's where the roots are growing in right there. You can see the bottom left of the screen down at the bottom. Okay, so all the roots are gone now. So I'm going to go out. Like I said, that's where all the roots were, right there. Outside the office, right here, just clean out. I just went towards the street. A little bit of a belly, a flat line, if you will. If you can see water, you see at the 425, 214, if you see water, that's, I want to say that's good, but it's not bad. I mean, you're a little underwater, but you know what, it's a long run. It's not a perfect world. Not bad. Could be worse. Could be better. You don't have a lot of buildup of, that's a clean out in front. You might hit clay here in a little bit. Okay. There's the clay clean out. Okay, I'm going to bring it back, and I won't be able to go the rest of the way of the street, so I'm going to pull back and then camera from here out, so I'm going to save some power and turn off right now because I'm on a battery. Okay, here we are at the very front of the building, right next to the street. Got about another 80 feet to go to the city sewer. I didn't have the mic on, so this is a voiceover. So you're just going to be going, we're just going to be going down the sewer, and there's nothing going on. But this is visual proof that you're fine. Yeah, I went all the way out to the city and came all the way back. So I'll shut up for a while and enjoy the show. What you see going on with this kind of like action is I pulled my camera out and I put on a riser, kind of picks it up about an inch off of the pipe. So you're going to see no water and then instantly not see any water at all. That's why maybe a foot or two difference. That's all that is. I just let the water drain down. Okay, what I'm going to do is when we get to the city, I'm just going to stop the video. And this is the city right here. And clip off the end because there's nothing to see after that. Up by the 25, you're going to see the water. That's the city. And that's the city sewer. So you're fine, and that's all of it. So good luck with your sewer issues, and thanks for calling me. Bye-bye.